Hello everyone, I'm still here at work, still a few hours, and then I will go and pick up the next EV to test drive. Jaguar I-Pace, I'm very excited. So it's waiting game and then 80 minutes to drive because there's no Jaguar dealership anywhere near. I'm excited, so take you on the trip. So now I'm in my car, in the stupid car. I hate my car, you have no idea. The crappiest car ever. And so I'm driving to Regensburg, which is in Bavaria. It's around 110 or so, 120 kilometers away from where I work and where I live. And there is the dealership that will lend me the Jaguar I-Pace, and I'm very excited. It's a fancy car, it's a powerful car, and that's of course always fun, so I'm excited about that. So I'm now on the highway. I'm cruising at a fancy 120 kilometers per hour on a German highway. Well, still save gas, it costs a lot of money, and I'm very excited. An hour to go. Woo! So I will get the car when I get there around 4 p.m. and I have to bring it back tomorrow at 12 a.m. so noon. And what is that? Is that already p.m.? I don't know. At noon. And I'm allowed to drive 350 kilometers, which is okay. It's an expensive car. I have no idea what color it is. I have no idea what the feature package is, because they have a few versions with the I-Pace. I'm looking forward to that. Will be fun. I'm very excited. And as most of the time when I get cars from dealerships, it takes a while, because hello, they're giving me a car and let me drive a bit, and they don't know me, and it's not like I have a big impact and that somebody will buy the car because of my videos, let's be honest. But it took a few weeks. The first appointment I had, I cancelled because it was raining, and when it's raining it's hard to film outside, and all the consumption numbers are just wrong, and it's just, and it all depends how hard it is raining and everything, and I don't want that. I want to have consumption numbers. I hope that I get summer tires, we'll see. Then 2 weeks later they canceled the appointment because they sold the car. It's interesting too. And then now it's a week later and I can get the car. Hello, and here we have it. Oh my god. Jaguar I-Pace. It's a brand new one. Only 160 kilometers on there. I got red numbers, so I'm only allowed to drive a bit. Like I said, I have to bring it back at 10 tomorrow, not at 12. It looks, I have to say, in reality, so not on film, it looks awesome. The tires are way too big. Way too big tires. But it's lower than I thought it would be. I mean, so the height of the car. And black looks nice. I saw a silver one inside. They have a lot of them, and they sell a lot, they say. This is the premium version, HSE, so it has everything, head-up display. So I will drive with this car and make a lot of videos. Stay tuned. Bye.